Welcome back to your maths class. So kids, we have started our chapter measurement of capacity, and in that chapter we have done lots of exercises, lots of questions, lots of worksheet, and now it's our turn to do our exercise question. So yesterday we have started our exercise 10.1, है ना? Yesterday we have started our exercise 10.1, and in that exercise I have also given you several examples. Before starting that exercise, I have given you several examples. Okay, so now today we will do the book question. We have done question number 1, 2, 3. Now today, before moving toward the book question, what we will do today, before moving toward the book question, I am going to give you some example question. Okay, so let us do some example question. Now the first question that I am going to take is, now suppose, now our question was that we have to balance the both the sides. हमें क्या करना था, दोनों साइड इक्वल्स टू बीच में थे और इस साइड एक इक्वेशन थी, इस साइड अगली इक्वेशन थी. हमें क्या करना था, दोनों इक्वेशन को क्या करना था, बैलेंस करना था. नाउ इफ वी हैव टू बैलेंस बोथ द साइड, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, लेट्स सी. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एन एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू टेक सम एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Suppose one side I am having 2 liters. Okay. Now suppose if one side I am having 2 liters and the other side equal to के बाद I am having a blank multiply 500 milliliter. Okay. Now you have to tell me what you will multiply in 500 milliliters so that you will get 2 liter. This question is based on conversion. Now tell me what you will multiply in this 500 milliliter so that you will get the 2 liter. मतलब क्या, 500 मिलीलीटर में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमें क्या मिलेगा, हमें मिलेगा 2 लीटर. अच्छा ठीक है, क्वेश्चन इज स्ट्रेट एंड सिंपल. Now see, 2 liter equals to 500 milliliter. अच्छा, now तो भाई 2 लीटर को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 लीटर को हम लिख सकते हैं 2000 milliliter. Can we write or not? Can we write like this or not? 2 लीटर को हम 2000 milliliter लिख सकते हैं. Yes, of course we can do so. Now one place I am having 500 milliliter. One place I am having 500 milliliter. Now you guys have to tell me what you will multiply in 500 to get 2000 milliliter. है ना? Now see, let us do it otherwise. Suppose I am having 5 rupees. Now tell me what I will multiply in this 5 to get 20. Now tell me what I have to multiply in this 5 to get 20. कैसे करेंगे कि हमारा आंसर 20 आएगा. Now tell me, बताओ मुझे कैसे करेंगे कि आंसर 20 आ जाएगा. 5 का टेबल अगर हम काउंट करते हैं तो हमें क्या पता चलता है, काउंटिंग 5 टेबल वी गेट 5 multiply 1, 5 multiply 2, 5 multiply 3 and 5 multiply 4. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. Now see, that means when we will multiply 4 and 5 we will get 20. मतलब क्या कि 5 में जब हम 4 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास कितना आ जाएगा, we will get 20. Okay, this much is clear. That means here we have to write 4. Now similar thing will happen in this question also. In this question also the same thing will happen. Let's see how. So here I am having 500 error method. Okay, so let's do this question by trial and error method. 500 milliliter को 2 लीटर बनाना है. So here I will write 500 milliliter. Now if I multiply 2 in this, see what I will get. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. 1000 milliliter. I have got 1000 milliliter. ठीक है, 2 zeros are zeros, 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. 1000 milliliter. No, we need 2000. So if I multiply this 500 by 4, see how much I will get. If I multiply this 500 by 4, I will get 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20. Now see, here I have got 2000 milliliters. Here I have got 2000 milliliter. That's why here we will write 4. 4 multiplied by 500, you will get 2000 milliliter. 4 multiplied by 5000, you will get 2000 milliliter. And see, our equation is balanced now. है ना? Our equation is what? Our equation is balanced now. Now, next question. Let us do another question. Now, this one will be also one of the example question. Now, suppose one side I am having 700 milliliter. Okay? One side I am having 700 milliliter. And here I am having dash multiply 300 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. Now how you are going to solve this question? Tell me. How you are going to solve this question? 700 milliliter we are having at one side. Other side we are having 300 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. Means multiply that something will get multiplied with 300 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. Now see, 700 milliliter. Now अब हमारे पास 100 milliliter तो है, तो अगर हमारे पास 100 milliliter है तो अभी हमें कितने और मिलीलीटर चाहिए होंगे 7 बनाने के लिए? या let us do it otherwise. If we are having 100 milliliter, then tell me what we will add in 100 milliliter to get 700. Now forget about milliliter. Just consider this as an ordinary number. अब बताओ 100 में ऐसा क्या प्लस करेंगे कि हमें 700 मिलेगा? 100 में ऐसा क्या प्लस करेंगे कि हमें 700 मिलेगा? Now let us count after 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. That means we have to add 600 here. So when we will add 600 in 100, we will get 700. That means 100 तो है हमारे पास और इसे 700 बनाने के लिए हमें कितना चाहिए होगा? We will need 6 more milliliter, 600 more milliliter. Now how we are going to do that? Okay. Now कैसे हम बनाएंगे? See, हमारे पास 700 milliliter चाहिए हमें. Now, so what we will do? अब हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आता है कि 300 में what you will multiply so that you will get 700. So 300 में when you will multiply 200, see what you will get. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6. You will get 600. Okay, now solve this question. I hope you know how to solve this question now. Okay, see, so here we will multiply 2. Now let us do this question ahead. 3 2s are 600 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. 6 plus 1 we will get 700 milliliter. So देखो what happened? Both the side of the equation is balanced now. दोनों साइड क्या है? सेम नंबर हमें मिल चुका है. ठीक है, तो both the side we have got 700 and 700 milliliter. Okay, now let us do the other question. Now I am going to take the exercise question. Okay, I am going to take some exercise question. Exercise 10.1. Yesterday we have done question number 1 to 3. Exercise 10.1. Question number 4. We have just done this question as example question. So here we are having 2 liters equals to dash into 500 milliliter. क्या करेंगे? अभी जस्ट ये क्वेश्चन किया है. Come on, do this question yourself. अभी जस्ट ये क्वेश्चन हमने किया है, तो जल्दी से ये क्वेश्चन करके दिखाइए. Completed. Now see, 500 milliliter is here. So 500 milliliter में we have to multiply what? 4. We have to multiply 4. So when we will multiply 500 and 4, we will get 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20. So our answer is 2000 milliliter. Okay. So here we will write 4. Got it? Okay. Moving toward question number 5. Now question number 5 is a kind of long question. It's a sort of long question. But let's do. Question number 5 says 2 liter equals to 1 liter plus that into 500 milliliter plus dash into 200 milliliter and plus 100 milliliter plus dash into 100 milliliter. Okay. Now see, that means we are having 2 liters and equals to we are having 1 liter plus 500 milliliter. Okay, let me write this question in a single line so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Question is 2 liter equals to 1 liter plus dash into 500 milliliter plus dash into 200 milliliter plus dash into 100 milliliter. Now you have to solve this question. Come on. Now you have to solve this question. Come on. Now do this question. So first thing that you have to understand, the first thing that you have to convert is what? You have to convert this 2 liter thing, है ना? यहाँ पे तो ये 2 liter में दिया है, बाकी rest of the units are given in milliliter. So what you have to do? You have to convert this thing first, 2 liter को पहले, ठीक है? तो you will convert 2 liter. Convert it, come on. 2 liter into milliliter. कितना बचेगा? 2 liter into milliliter, बताइए. So 2 liter we will get 2000 milliliter. Okay, 2000 milliliter. Now here we are having 1 liter. So for 1 liter also we can write 1000 milliliter, and rest of the number we will write down as it is. 200 milliliter plus dash into 100 milliliter. Now the question is that here we are having 1000 milliliter. मतलब 2000 milliliter हमें बनाना है, but out of that 2000 milliliter we are already having this 1000 milliliter with us. We are having this 1000 milliliter. Now what we will do? अब देखो पता करते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास 2000 मिलीलीटर है और 1000 मिलीलीटर दिया है तो कितने मिलीलीटर की और जरूरत है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल सबट्रैक्ट. नाउ 2000 मिलीलीटर सबट्रैक्ट 1000 milliliter. Now do the subtraction. So what we will write? Milliliter will be written milliliter. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, and then 2 minus 1 you will get 1. So here you will get 1000 milliliter. Oof. That means 1000 milliliter so you are already having. You need 1 more 1000 milliliter. ठीक है, अब 1000 milliliter की और की जरूरत है. Let's see. Now, अब हमारे पास कौन कौन सी मेजरमेंट है? Let us see the measurement. So here we are having 500 milliliter. अच्छा, अगर मैं 500 milliliter को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं, so what I will get? 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, and here I will write milliliter. देखो what happened कि 1000 milliliter तो हमारा यहीं पे हो गया. अगर ऐसा हम यहाँ पे 2 लिख देंगे तब तो इन यूनिट्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है. नहीं, so we won't write 2 here, we will write 1. We will write 1 here. Good. Now we are having 1000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. That means we are having 500 milliliter तो हमारे पास बन गया है. ठीक है, 500 milliliter हमारे पास आ चुका है. अब 200 milliliter and 100 milliliter बता, मतलब कि अगर इन दोनों को कलेक्टिव कर दें हम तो हमारे पास तो 1500 milliliter आ चुके हैं. We are already having 1500 milliliter. Now, how much more do we need? We need 500 more. 500 more we will need to make 2000 milliliter. Now, to make 500 more, what we have to do? अब 500 more हम कैसे बना सकते हैं? 500 milliliter बनाने के लिए we have to make 200 and 100 milliliter. Okay, got it? 200 milliliter and 100 milliliter. Now 200 milliliter means what? Here you will get 400 milliliter, and here you will get 100 milliliter रहेगा तो you will get 100 milliliter. Now milliliter you will get here milliliter, and here you will get 500 milliliter. ठीक है, You will get the 500 milliliter. ठीक है? Now what? That means हमें 2 कितना चाहिए? 2 चाहिए. And 1 we will need 1. 200 milliliter and 100 milliliter. Okay. Now let's see. So once you will write 200, 2 here, and here you will write 1. Now let's see what we are having. चलो अगला देखते हैं क्या है. 1000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter plus 400 milliliter, and then we are having 100 milliliter. ठीक है? Now add them together. What you will get? Add them together. 1000 milliliter plus 5 plus 4. How much you will get? Adding 5 and 4, 900. And 900 plus 100 you will get 1000. So 1000 milliliter. Now see, 1000 milliliter plus 1000 milliliter will be equals to 2000 milliliter. Okay. Now see what happened. Both the sides are balanced now. This side also we have 2000 milliliter, and this side also we are having 2000 milliliter. That means what? Both the sides are balanced now. Okay. So now next we are going to do question number 6. Sure. Write it down first. Okay. Okay, so I am going to erase the board. Now the next question. Next question of the same type is 500 milliliter. Question number 6. Exercise 10.1. Question number 6. 500 milliliter equals to dash multiply 200 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. Easy one. This question is very easy. Now do it yourself. This question is easy. Just do it yourself. Dash into 200 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. Now see, हमारे पास यहाँ पे 500 milliliter है. ठीक है? अब इधर के इक्वेशन को हमें 500 milliliter के इक्विवेलेंट बनाना है. अब इधर 500 में से we are only having 100 milliliter. So if we are only having 100 milliliter, then you tell me what you will add in 100 to get 500. Now tell me what you will add in 100 to get 500. Do the counting. 100 के बाद काउंट करिए कि 500 आए. 200, 300, 400 and 500. ठीक है? 200, 300, 400, 500. That means you need 4 more 100. ठीक है? 4 more 100. So same thing we need here also in this equation. Here we are having 100 milliliter only, and we need 4 more hundreds. ठीक है? Now, so what you will multiply in 200 to get 400? What you will multiply in 200 milliliter to get 400 milliliter? Now अगर दूसरी तरीके से करें, 2 के टेबल में 4 कितने बार में आएगा? टेल मी. 2 के टेबल में 4 कितनी बार में आएगा? Yes, 2 2s are 4. So here we will write 2. Now see, our equation is balance now. How come? See, this side we are having 500 now. 2 2 jo 400 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. And adding these two, what you will get? What you will get when you add 4 and 1 together? 500 milliliter. Okay. So that means you will get 500 milliliter. Now, both the side of equations are balanced now. है ना? इधर भी we are having 500 and that side we are also having 500. चलो. Note it down. Then we will move toward question number 7. And question number 7 will be the last question of this type. Come on, do it. Note it down. Question number 7. Question number 7 is a very easy question. Question number 7 says 200 milliliter equals to 200 milliliter equals to that into 100 milliliter. Now do this question yourself. Yes, do this question. Very easy question. That means what you will multiply in 100 to get 200. Tell me what you will multiply in 100 to get 200. Yes, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1 are 2. So you will multiply 2 here. So the answer is 200 milliliter. When you will multiply these two numbers, you will get 200 milliliter. And this side you are already having 200 milliliter. That means what? Equation is balanced now. है ना? So now we have done exercise 10.1 up to question number 7. Okay? Now we have done exercise 10.1, question number 7. Now let us see how we will do question number 8. Now question number 8 is a very simple question based on conversion. You just have to convert the given unit in milliliter. So question is 8 liter. You have to convert 8 liter. Now do this conversion. Do the conversion. 8 liter you have to convert in milliliter. Come on, do the conversion. Now, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay? 8 liter we have to convert in milliliter. So, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Now, 8 liter is equals to 8 into 1000 milliliter. So what you will get when you will multiply 8 and 1000? Tell me. 8000. You will get 8000 milliliter. Okay, so this is question number 8. Okay. So now kids, today we have done exercise 10.1 up to question number 8. And now we will meet in our next class to do the further question. ठीक है, इसके बाद के जितने बचे हुए क्वेश्चन है that we will do in our next class. Okay, and till then complete up to question number 8.